Socrates said, "You must examine your own life." Does that mean me? You? Yes, I think so. Aristotle said, "Our life experience, our happiness depends on us." New thought leaders say, we must live the truth we know. We must live the spirit we know. So the question is, how are we going to do this? And the healing of the soul of humanity is not going to happen by accident. It's not going to happen by prophecy. It's going to happen because you did something new, I did something new, and together we can do what cannot be done alone. Such an event is scheduled called Raise the Roof, October the 7th, Unity World Headquarters, the Goppert Center, 100% free. Music, Ricky Byers, message, sound bath, a choir, walking in the nature trails, candlelight labyrinth, fountains, free gifts, 100% an invitation to take some action to create the world we claim we want to see. Let's get at it, as Myrtle Fillmore says. See you there, October the 7th, antn.org to get registered. Blessings to you. Mwah.